Welcome to the future of heavy-duty transportation. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz 325 tractor is here, redefining performance, efficiency, and luxury in the trucking industry. Today, we take an in-depth look at this powerhouse machine and explore why it's set to become a game-changer. Mercedes-Benz has always been a pioneer in engineering and design, and this latest model is no exception. The 325 tractor boasts a next-generation aerodynamic body, reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. The new LED matrix headlights not only add a futuristic look but also enhance visibility, making nighttime driving safer than ever. Under the hood, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz 325 tractor is powered by a high-performance turbocharged diesel engine, paired with a mild hybrid system. The 12.8-liter inline-six engine generates a staggering 600 horsepower and 2,800 Nm of torque, making it one of the most powerful tractors in its class. This hybrid-assisted powertrain improves fuel efficiency by 15% compared to the previous model, ensuring truckers get the most out of every drop of fuel. Stepping inside the 325 tractor, you are greeted with a cockpit that feels like a first-class cabin. The driver-centric design features a fully digital dashboard, a 15-inch touchscreen infotainment system, and AI-powered voice commands. The latest MBUX truck infotainment system ensures seamless connectivity, allowing drivers to control navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings with ease. One of the standout features of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz 325 tractor is its semi-autonomous driving technology. The Active Drive Assist 2.0 system provides Level 3 autonomous driving, meaning the truck can handle highway cruising, lane changes, and adaptive cruise control with minimal driver input. Safety is further enhanced with Active Brake Assist 6.0, which can detect pedestrians, vehicles, and obstacles with precision, automatically applying the brakes when necessary. Traditional side mirrors are replaced with high-resolution digital cameras, reducing blind spots and improving aerodynamics. The 360-degree camera system gives drivers a bird's-eye view, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces easier than ever. This truck isn't just about looks and technology, it's built for serious work. With an impressive 80,000-pound towing capacity, the 325 tractor is ready to handle the most demanding jobs. The improved air suspension system adapts to road conditions, providing a smoother ride and reducing driver fatigue on long hauls. Mercedes-Benz continues to push the boundaries of sustainability. The 325 tractor meets Euro 7 emission standards, reducing NOx emissions by 30% and cutting carbon footprints significantly. With hybrid assist technology, this truck optimizes fuel consumption and even offers a plug-in electric mode for short-distance, zero-emission driving in city zones. In 2025, connectivity is key, and the 325 tractor takes it to the next level. The Mercedes-Benz Fleet Management System allows fleet operators to monitor fuel consumption, driver behavior, and maintenance schedules in real time. The Mercedes-Benz Truck app enables remote diagnostics, software updates, and even predictive maintenance, minimizing downtime and keeping trucks on the road longer. Driver comfort is a top priority. The 325 tractor offers an ergonomic seat with massage functions, climate-controlled cabin, and a spacious sleeper compartment. The truck's smart ambient lighting system adapts to different driving conditions, providing a comfortable atmosphere whether you're driving through the night or resting after a long haul. Speaking of night driving, the adaptive high beam assist ensures maximum visibility without blinding oncoming traffic. Combined with the night vision assist, which detects animals and pedestrians in the dark, this truck makes nighttime journeys safer than ever. Compared to its predecessor, the 325 tractor offers 30% better fuel efficiency, 20% more power, and a 40% improvement in safety features. With a redesigned chassis and improved aerodynamics, this truck is not only stronger but also smoother and more efficient on the road. Driving long distances has never been this comfortable and efficient. Whether you're a fleet owner looking for the best investment or a trucker wanting the ultimate driving experience, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz 325 tractor delivers on every front. Mercedes-Benz has once again set the benchmark in the trucking industry, combining power, efficiency, and next-level technology. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz 325 tractor is not just a truck, it's a revolution on wheels. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated on the latest in trucking technology, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Mercedes-Benz 325 tractor. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride.